Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xbox to your laptop for gameplay. Understand that direct HDMI input for gaming is generally not supported on most laptop models. The only effective method is using Xbox Remote Play, which streams your console's display to your computer. This innovative feature lets you enjoy your favorite Xbox titles, even when you are away from your main screen, by leveraging your home network connection. You will need a strong internet connection for the best results. Before beginning, make sure your Xbox console is either fully on or set to instant-on power mode in its settings. You must also download and install the official Xbox application onto your Windows laptop from the Microsoft Store. A high-speed, stable internet connection is paramount, with a recommended speed of at least 20 megabits per second for optimal performance. Finally, ensure you have an Xbox wireless controller paired with your laptop, either through a USB cable or via Bluetooth. To prepare your Xbox, power it on and navigate to the Settings menu from your dashboard. From there, select Devices and Connections, and then choose Remote Features. It is crucial to check the box that says Enable Remote Features to allow streaming to your laptop. Additionally, for the best experience, set your console's power mode to Instant On. This ensures your Xbox can wake up and connect automatically, even when it is not actively being used. Now, open the Xbox application on your laptop and sign in using the Microsoft account linked to your Xbox console. Look for the console's icon, which typically resembles an Xbox logo, near the top of the application window. Click this icon to view your available consoles. Select your registered Xbox from the displayed list to begin the connection process. Once connected, your Xbox's screen will appear directly on your laptop, ready for you to play your games.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.